Captain Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpo Mohale. Today I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness a Petro Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and my Melody Santos. A game as of just concluded the scoreline of 3-2. And now I'm with the fans president, Press 10, Shumelim Nandi, 2 Snow 10, President 2 Simadota. Yo, I'm Lila President, can I please take off my hat as a symbol of respect, President? President, good evening, President. Special greetings to your cabinet, President. President, President wasemaveni president hayi nyatithoba president sicela ngokuthi halala simbombela Fanatics ngalo lokuhlele kwendakalile simbonile minister of sports Clayton McKenzie asho ukuthi utabe one of the fans labo tabahamba bayele America nase Canada Mexico bayesimela njengama fans awusupporta iSouth Africa. President, game uyibona njani namhla une 3-2 khuluma nami press.
Yes, thank you for the opportunity, my brother. Ngibonga nale opportunities langinike yona Minister Mackenzie to go to Mexico and support iBafana Bafana in the opening match.
Sure, President.
Yes, coming to today's game. It was known ukuthi vele it will be a difficult game for both teams.
Yes, President.
Masikhuluma maqiniso because iSundowns beyifuna kulo is last game yeSundowns beyifuna ukuthi i-retain the cup. Sine le TS Galaxy sibalekela ama playoffs.
Yeah.
So vele it was given ukuthi it was a difficult game, but iSundowns in a history nembombela iyayathi imbombela Solomon Mahlangu siyayivuthurula siyayishaya.
Yeah.
But Shyle of Stars lana asidlala.
President.
Lana asidlala bayathi last bekuna the legend Mamboshi interview yesterday.
Sure.
Ngimtshela straight interview ku Voice of Hope FM.
Yes, President.
Uthena uligudzumela la se 012 ngasi no Mr Mamboshi lana sithi 013 that is why shy 3 goals yena ugcine 2 because uthe uligudzumela la 012 mina ngimtshela that straight ngathi 013.
Sure, President.
That is why it's washayile. Thank you, my brother.
President, uma bengakubuta President, the fact yokuthi nita kule game le namuhla President, njengoba sibonile mandlana Chippa United, le draw leyo ke it was able to see ukuthi iqembu liyasretain status sazo sakuphethe Premiership. President, kuba i-relief lenganani qhamuka to game namuhla nibe nesenati ukuthi lizembe senilibalekele President. How much of a breath reliever was it? Kini nje iqembu le-TS Galaxy kunivumele enganani ukuthi nibe comfortable igame namuhla ibe free flowing ningadlaleli ukuthi niyavika namuhla mara nani nibe nithatha tikhaltenu nibe yimbi nijikisela ngathi weSundowns.
Lamuhla dlala igame lamuhla bekungasi igame ukuthi vele siyodlala sibe serious bekuyigame yengqondo ukuthi sifuna ku frustrate iSundowns.
Sure, President.
Because Sundowns already yona beyine pressure vele sikwendile lokho first half then baba nelakhi babese uyabakora kwaba draw but sikhombisile ukuthi thina asimani sigive up early.
Yes, President.
Situbeka siye phambili.
President, ngembi kokuthi ngikwakele President yini imlayeto lona uthi ma fellow South Africans President ngikubonile tolo aggressive President kwendakalani President ngiva kunamaheme ukuthi President angamahla afake i-resignation President khuluma nami kwendakalani lapha.
I-President ngayi-resign ngonyalo
President.
Resign. I will still keep my position but on my absentia I need to appoint not a deputy, an acting president.
Yes, President.
But for now, first thing I must demote the Minister Stole because you know we are chiga then
Minister Stole.
Minister Stole bekakhona no uthi umtimba ubhlungu.
Hayi man.
Uthi umtimba ngubhlungu nyalo sanginika minister nyalo but nyalo mangihamba ngiya eMexico you will be an acting president.
Oh my President, it's about the gang. Congratulations, Minister. Congratulations, Mr. Makagule. Yeah.
But you mustn't do what I want to.
Funny business.
Ngifuna kuya back to the country ukuthi ngithole ukuthi everything is as right. I don't want any funny stories here. I trust you. Thank you.
President, before Scott President, igame yakugcina le bekungiyele benzeni idlala home. I-performance yamagalagala le season lena ikuthi ujabule nganani or uyakhala ngelicembu lidlale ngayo njengoba sibonile licembu le season lena lifailile ngena top 8 mara last season lingenile top 8 alikayinanga neNedbank Cup kuthi sola kukhona njengelilandzelwayo iTS Galaxy niyakhala ngayo licembu kumbe kwenakalani.
TS Galaxy performance TS Galaxy kufuna sitinuke emakhwapha sibone ukuthi nguphi lo lesingakwendi kahle because akusiyi position ekufuna sihlale kuyo TS Galaxy nela mara siphose saphaphama late,
Yes, President.
but kuyangijabulisa ukuthi bakhonile kubona la madoda akhonile kubona ukuthi no, it's getting late now, sekubadakhi, so sekufuna basebende. Next season, if they continue doing like this, they are going nowhere.
Yes, President.
But I think coming next season, that's a change.
President ngembi kokuthi ngokele umbuto wokugcina President akusimbuto kahle President. Kunedabi lesinayo la eMpumalanga lana yebafana bakhona bala ekhaya who've been promoted to the Betway Premiership bebadlala gijima khona ku MFC le season lena iKruger United yobe ithathana nalo licembu lakhona la ekhaya nalo the Bees lana President nabo they have been confirmed to have survived relegation. Sesiphinde sibe naleli icembu lakhona la ekhaya President iCasrick Stars isanawo amathuba ukuthi ngahambi yodlalela ama playoff nawo President mlayeto lo nawo towa amacembu akhona la ekhaya lana la gijima kuyi MFC.
Ma teams ala Mpumalanga ngiyawa encourage ukuthi akacinise because sitsinga ama team lapha la Betway Premiership ala Mpumalanga. iCasrick ayiphusha ukuthi imane ingene kuma playoffs. iKruger, congratulations to iKruger. Sesizoba nedabi futhi la iKruger versus lo ETS Galaxy. Abaqhubeke babe nemandla so. Yes,
Vice President, Press 10, ngicela ukubusela isigqoko bonga kakhulu President.
Amen.
Minister Makakula, congratulations. Noma sekuvela tindzaba sesemkhatsini lana. Sibonga kakhulu President, nambe kahle President.
Siyabonga.